Hey, Dr. Alex, I'm here with Victoria. This is her first chiropractic adjustment, and we examined her already, and we're ready to go. Ready?
Yep.
Cool. All right, nice and easy. Just let your head relax. Gently, gently, all the way down. Drop that shoulder for me. More. Nice. Nice. Okay. And we're gonna go right up in here. Okay. Just gently. Ooh, already going. Sweet. Okay. Okay, come on over here. Put your back against the wall. Okay, step all the way back. Cross your arms across your chest. And underneath, elbow room. Good, just let yourself fall forward. Let it drop nice and mighty down. Fall easy, easy, easy. Drop, drop. Oh, nice. Good. Fall forward. Fall lightly. Just let it drop. Yeah. Nice. Good. All right. Cut that for me, and then we're